Hi everyone, it's me, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to be doing a slime area tour. So the first thing we have is down here. So I have my slime collection and a slime, a white base slime, mixing bowl, slime containers, more containers, my chair that I play with slime on, all of my glues and activator. By the way, that's activator borax. Slime manual, light, 2 slimes, hairspray for some reason, bits and bobs I guess, a spoon, borax, container, containers, hair gel, magical liquid, glitters, slime powder, mixing spoons and 2 slimes. Kind of like the random drawer, we've got scents, food dyes, loads of slimes, an iceberg down there, which is drying up, and another slime. I also have this blue cauliflower, love it. So I've got my soap, I guess, baby wipes, sponges, foam balls, shaving cream, shaving foams, and a hair gel. And what are these? These are lotions and Peppa Pig conditioner or shampoo, I don't know. And then I have some spatulas, and then like a little lunchbox to take slimes to places, and then just a little bag of stuff.